fire. It warms, it cooks, it terrifies. This primal force, harnessed by humans for millennia, possesses a destructive power that inspires awe and fear. Few things illustrate this duality better than fire's impact on the human body, specifically our skin. The very organ that shields us from the elements becomes a battleground when confronted with intense heat. Understanding this battle requires a journey through the layers of our skin, a visceral exploration of fire's bite. The epidermis, our skin's outer layer, bears the initial brunt of fire's assault. Composed of tough, dead cells, it provides a surprisingly resilient barrier. Like a scorched shield, the epidermis absorbs the initial heat, its cells dehydrating and charring. This process, while destructive, buys precious time for the layers beneath. We've all seen the aftermath: redness, blistering, the raw agony of a first-degree burn, yet this is merely the opening salvo in a complex physiological siege. As fire's heat penetrates further, it encounters the dermis, a denser layer housing nerves, blood vessels, and sweat glands. Here, the damage intensifies. Proteins, the building blocks of cells, begin to denature, losing their structure and function. Nerve endings scream in protest, sending pain signals to the brain. Blood vessels dilate, leading to redness and swelling. In severe cases, the heat punches through the dermis, reaching the subcutaneous fat layer. This insulating layer, while protecting vital organs, can become fuel for the fire, exacerbating the damage. At its core, a burn is a chemical reaction, a violent disruption of the delicate molecular balance within our cells. Intense heat breaks down the chemical bonds holding proteins together, rendering them useless. Cell membranes, the guardians of cellular integrity, rupture under the onslaught, spilling their contents into the surrounding tissue. This cellular carnage triggers an inflammatory response, flooding the area with fluids and immune cells. While intended to aid healing, this process contributes to the swelling and pain associated with burns. The impact of a burn extends far beyond the immediate area of contact. The body, now under siege, mounts a systemic response. Blood pressure can plummet as fluids leak from damaged vessels. The immune system, thrown into overdrive, becomes vulnerable to infection. Severe burns can even disrupt the body's internal temperature regulation, leading to hypothermia. In essence, a burn is not just a local injury, it's a full-body crisis demanding immediate medical attention.